Hi, my name is Arícia Duarte-Benvenuto and I am a PhD student at the Laboratory of Wildlife Comparative Pathology in the University of São Paulo, Brazil. The aim of my project is to investigate infectious diseases in marine mammals, particularly dolphins, whales, manatees, and fur seals. To exemplify our line of investigation, I'm going to describe the findings of a recently published paper in the Journal of Wildlife Diseases. In 2018, there was a record number of stranded fur seals in the southeastern Brazilian coast. A stranding event is when a marine mammal needs assistance in coastal waters or at the beach. In these cases, these animals are transported to a specialized medical center to get a health check and receive veterinary treatment, be rehabilitated, and when possible, be released back into the wild. The dead animals found at the beach are also classified as stranded, and they are analyzed to investigate their causes of death. The main goal of our study was to understand the reasons behind such event and to investigate if it was related to any health conditions, human-related activities, or natural causes. In order to achieve that, we studied 6 animals that were found dead or died during treatment in a rehabilitation facility. We performed necropsies and complementary diagnostics in the collected samples to survey for selected infectious agents commonly reported in fur seals. In this study, we found that malnutrition was a significant cause of mortality, probably resulting in immunosuppression and disease manifestation. Malnutrition in juveniles is usually associated with decreased food availability, which could be potentially linked to one or more of the following causes: lack of foraging skills, human-related activities like overfishing and fisheries competition, climatic events like climate change, and/or unknown causes that need to be further investigated. A herpes virus infection was detected in 3 out of 6 animals. This is a virus known to be specific for each species and present ability to remain inactive in the host until some event that compromises the host immune status. Because the same herpes virus has already been recorded in other fur seals stranded in Brazil, and based on this virus characteristic, we believe that fur seals might be their natural hosts. We also reported the first detection of a parasite called Neospora in pinnipeds of the southern hemisphere. Those results will help us increase the knowledge concerning the health of fur seals stranded in the Brazilian coast, which were scarce. Additionally, these findings expand the geographic range of 2 infectious agents of pinnipeds and may be of value to increase rehabilitation success. This was just one example, but how does studying marine health impact the world? Studying and understanding wildlife health is essential to promote some balance in the human-animal environmental interface. This concept is known as One Health, because after all, we are all connected. Marine mammals such as fur seals are considered indicators of ocean's health, which serve as a warning when there might be something wrong. Furthermore, the instability on the One Health interface promotes pathogen exchange from animals to humans, the zoonotic diseases. According to the Center for Disease Control, CDC, zoonotic diseases are estimated to be more than 6 out of every 10 known infectious diseases in people. This shows how relevant the study of novel infectious pathogens in wildlife is. Also, and just as importantly, by understanding why marine mammals are dying, we can protect them. According with the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, at least 1/4 of the marine mammals are under risk of extinction, including blue whales, polar bears, vaquita dolphins, and Florida manatees. So we must face the study of stranded marine mammals as a great opportunity to promote wildlife and environmental conservation.